All right, my machine has finished stitching out my design, and now we're ready to move on to the next row. First thing I want to do is look at my quilting interface screen. I have the option to continue, but if I need to repair my pattern, this would be the time to do it. Looking here, I didn't run out of bottom thread and everything stitched out beautifully. So now it's time to click on continue. Machine's going to think for a minute, and then it's going to ask to pull the bobbin thread again. This way we don't get any knots underneath. Okay, so we're on the pull bobbin thread screen, and it's going to tell me to pull and clip the trailing threads at the end of the stitching. So the way to do this, your carriage is now released. Pull that machine over a bit, catch the thread with your finger, and move the machine and your needle back to where it ended. From here, you're going to click on your single stitch. It does that single stitch, and as you move your machine away and pull on that thread, you can see there's your bobbin thread. You can pull it up and then clip both of those. Now you're ready to do the next row.